welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about 10 different random things that every girl must have. So these are the products that I've used personally, so I just felt might as well share it with all of you all. And I hope this will make your life easy. So without wasting much time, I think we should get started. I hope this video will be helpful for every girl watching this. So first thing first, I have a panty liner. So it's a smaller version of pad. Is really life changing. So even I started using it very recently actually, not only on the later days in your period cycle, but also when it's a hectic day and you know that you'll be there for a very long time, this can come in real handy. So I think a panty liner is a must have for every girl. Now the second product is from makeup category. Anyone who is not so much into makeup and but still want to have some kind of makeup on, I would suggest that you all should really invest in tints, skin tint, lip or cheek tint. So I have a couple of these and these are really good. So the first one is by Etude House. I've applied the same thing right now and I'm loving how glowy and how natural they look. So investing in a lip or cheek tint is a very good idea for girls who don't really like to wear makeup. Next one from the makeup category only, I have a lip oil by ELF. Anyone who doesn't like to put on lipsticks also on regular basis can definitely try this one by ELF Cosmetics. So it's very creamy and it has a hint of red. Talking about another makeup product that I think one should own is definitely a stroke cream, and I've been using this for quite a while now and I'm definitely obsessed over this one. It's so sheer and it's so subtle on the skin. I tend to mix it with foundation and sometimes even with my liquid blush. It does give you that glowy look from within and it just feels like you haven't done anything. But yes, this one by Dot & Key is such a good product. And next product that I'm going to speak about is a compact. I think every girl should own a compact, just a regular one. So this one is very affordable but very nice product and it's by Maybelline, and I think the Fit Me range is the best range ever. I'm about to hit pan on this one. Just to touch up here and there, to control the oil on the face, I think one should definitely invest in a good compact. And so the next product that I'm going to speak about is a nail polish remover, and this one is by Inside Cosmetics. It has 40 wipes and I feel every girl should have this because it's so much convenient and easier for you all to just remove the nail polish without being messy. So the next product is a nail polish. I think getting your hands on a neutral color nail polish is really a good idea because these such colors goes pretty well on everything and they are also subtle. Investing in one good nail polish is all you need. So this one is by Miniso, shade French Formula. Okay, I'm almost about to finish this one, so I think I'll have to restock on that. I have these jhumkis and I wear them on kurtis or whatever when I'm wearing Indian wear. So these cute little earrings. So I have 3 of these and I tend to change them in between with the outfit. Investing in good pair of jhumkis are I think really important. I think a girl definitely should have bangles. I have these. So these are black color bangles and these are oxide one, jhumkis and these bangles and a kurti, and you have created yourself a bomb combination, trust me. Next accessory that I think is really useful is these clips. Even if you are not doing anything to your hair and if you just pull your hair backwards and put one of these, that will also look really good. So invest in good looking, I mean dainty kind of a clip accessory. and I think you'll be sorted for your hair sometimes when you really don't have the patience, or even you don't feel like to do anything. Moving on to the next category, I have some clothing pieces that I think will be very very helpful. So first thing that I want to show is neutral top. Ultimately you can style these kind of tops in whatever way that you want. You buy H&M, the quality is really really nice, they are very very soft. Always check out H&M site or H&M website on their sale days. So again, this one, it has a little bit of detailing here, and when you wear it, it looks so chic. Every girl must invest in good neutral tops. They are very very versatile. You all can style them in whatever ways you want by adding of course other elements, but they'll always look chic. So everything is from H&M. So the second last product that I have is a heat protectant. Whenever you all are using straighteners or whatever, just don't forget to use any heat protectant, because it's very very important to apply heat protectant. So yes, this one is by Tresemme, and I've been using this for a while now, and it's a very nice product. We have the last product, and it's a bag. Investing in a good bag, in a handbag, good handbag is so important. And also remember the color. So I have a white bag with a black detailing on it. I think this goes almost with everything. Rather than buying so many bags, just try to invest in a one good bag which can be versatile and can be styled many times. So with that, we have come to an end to today's video. I hope this was helpful for everyone watching, and these are the products that I have used. I found these helpful. So thank you once again for watching, and follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my channel for more such videos if you haven't already, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, bye.